Hi, I'm the Earth, and today I want to tell you a story about how my atmosphere circulates. First, why does my air circulate? Well, I'll tell you. The sun does not heat me evenly and equally. I also spin, so there's that, and you can even throw in the tilt of my axis. First, we'll take a look at my basic atmospheric circulation, in a process known as convection. In my tropics, warm air rises. When it gets to about 10 to 15 kilometers, it starts to flow away towards the poles. But soon, when it cools, it sinks again and comes back to the equator. When it gets back to the equator, it warms again. And this pattern is known as convection, and it happens on a global scale, but also a small one. Now remember that I'm on an axis and I spin. So now, the Coriolis goes into effect. My air moves from the equator north and south. The air going to the north turns to the right, and air that goes to the south turns to the left. The Coriolis effect produces the trade winds, and the rest of the air that is traveling to the poles is deflected and generates the westerlies in the mid-latitudes. To help you understand how this circulation affects climate, let's first look at the rising air at my pressure zone called the equatorial low. Here the air is moist and is rising. This comes with very heavy precipitation. The air that flows up from the equator reaches 20 degrees to 30 degrees latitude, whether north or south, and then it sinks down to the surface again. This causes adiabatic heating, which produces hot and arid conditions. At about 30 degrees latitude, north and south, is where many of my deserts are found. I could go into much more detail about all the different ways the air circulates on my planet, on me. But that's the basic general circulation of my atmosphere. Until next time!